Today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural skincare, where beetroot, carrots, lavender, and olive oil are not just ingredients for a healthy meal, but also powerful allies in the fight against aging. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the creation of a golden anti-aging and anti-wrinkle oil, along with a collagen-boosting face mask, all from the comfort of your home. Get ready to uncover the golden secrets of natural beauty that can help you achieve the youthful glow you've always dreamed of. Just a quick reminder, we are not medical doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. In a world overflowing with skincare products, why turn to natural remedies? The answer is simple: purity, efficacy, and safety. Natural ingredients have been used for centuries to enhance beauty and health. Unlike commercial products laden with chemicals and preservatives, natural remedies offer a holistic approach to skincare, nourishing your skin with the vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Let's start with the star ingredient: beetroot. Known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, beetroot is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in revitalizing the eye area, reducing dark circles, and combating wrinkles. Beetroot is rich in vitamin C and betaine, an amino acid that promotes skin elasticity and firmness. Start by peeling one small beetroot and dividing it into two halves. The beetroot's deep red color is a testament to its rich antioxidant content. Grate one half of the beetroot finely. This grated beetroot will be a key ingredient in both our anti-aging oil and collagen face mask. Next, we introduce carrots, another humble kitchen staple with extraordinary benefits for the skin. Carrots are packed with vitamin A, a vital nutrient that keeps your skin healthy and beautiful. They also contain beta-carotene, which stimulates melanin activity and provides natural sun protection. Grate one medium-sized carrot and add it to the grated beetroot. The combination of beetroot and carrot not only enhances the nutritional profile, but also adds a beautiful color to our concoction. Lavender, often celebrated for its calming aroma, is also a powerful skincare ingredient. Its natural antioxidant properties help fight free radicals, prevent acne, and reduce skin inflammation. Incorporating lavender into our anti-aging oil will add a soothing element that enhances its overall effectiveness. Add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender flowers to the mixture of beetroot and carrot. The lavender not only provides a calming scent, but also boosts the skin healing properties of our oil. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a rich source of vitamins and essential fatty acids. It's an excellent moisturizer that nourishes the skin, making it smooth and supple. Extra virgin olive oil, in particular, is highly recommended for its purity and nutrient content. In a suitable container, combine the grated beetroot, carrot, and dried lavender flowers with 150 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Place the container in a water bath and heat over medium heat for 30 minutes. This process helps infuse the oil with the nutrients from the beetroot, carrot, and lavender. Allow the oil to cool, then strain it through medical gauze to remove the solid particles. Pour the strained oil into a suitable storage container. This golden anti-aging oil can be stored in a cool place for up to 2 months. Apply the oil daily to your face, neck, and décolleté. Massage gently until the oil is absorbed. This oil can also be used on other relaxed parts of the body for overall skin rejuvenation. Regular use of this oil will help nourish the skin, reduce wrinkles, and maintain a youthful, toned appearance. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest health and nutrition tips. Now, let's move on to the collagen face mask. Collagen is a crucial protein that gives skin its structure and elasticity. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. This mask leverages the power of beetroot juice and gelatin to rejuvenate your skin and give it a youthful glow. To prepare the collagen mask, grate the remaining half of the beetroot and extract 3 tablespoons of juice. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered gelatin to the beetroot juice. Gelatin is known for its collagen-boosting properties, acting as a natural filler that smooths out wrinkles. Heat the mixture in a water bath until it liquefies. This process helps the gelatin dissolve completely, ensuring a smooth application. Remove the mixture from heat and allow it to cool slightly for a few minutes. Apply the mask to your face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to dry for about 20 minutes, then remove it gently. This mask not only rejuvenates the skin, but also helps remove facial hair, providing an instant lifting effect. While natural remedies are generally safe, it's essential to be aware of any potential allergies or skin sensitivities. Always perform a patch test before applying any new product to your face. Additionally, consult your doctor before using these remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Natural skincare is not just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that promotes overall health and well-being. Here are some of the key benefits. Natural ingredients are free from harmful chemicals and preservatives that can irritate the skin. Ingredients like beetroot, carrot, lavender, and olive oil are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish the skin from within. Natural skincare remedies are often more affordable than commercial products, and you can make them with ingredients you already have at home. Using natural ingredients reduces your carbon footprint and promotes sustainability. Embracing natural skincare is a journey towards healthier, more radiant skin. By incorporating ingredients like beetroot, carrot, lavender, and olive oil into your routine, you can harness the power of nature to combat aging and achieve a youthful glow. Remember, beauty is more than skin deep, it's about taking care of yourself inside and out. Keep in mind that we are not medical doctors, and this information should not be considered medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. It is always best to check with your doctor for medical advice and treatment. They will know more about your individual condition. Remember to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time on Health InfoHub, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.